Hello, everyone. My name is Paperman. I'd like to introduce a very nice guy. Hey, come here. Hey, stop there. He's a good boy, isn't he? That's him. He's the new digital camera WB500 from Samsung. It has a lot of great features, but the most impressive one is the 24mm ultra-wide lens from Schneider, which supports up to 10 by optical zoom. It has 24mm wide angle, 240mm telephoto zoom lens, so you can use this camera in every situation: view shot, personal shot, and snapshot. See how unbelievably compact WB500 hides a 24mm ultra-wide 10 by optical zoom lens in its thin design. When you look at other high-zoom cameras, you will see how small actually the WB500 is. So let's take a closer look. This is the front side. As I mentioned in the previous part, the latest Samsung camera has a 24mm ultra-wide optical 10 by zoom Schneider lens. It has 1/2.33-inch CCD inside, which supports 10.2 megapixels. There is a flash, AF sensor, self-timer lamp, and remote control sensor function. Turn around. Yes, good boy. As you can see, a 2.7-inch TFT LCD screen is available on the back. On the right, you can see the command lever, function delete button, 5 function button, play mode print button, and effect button. Let's take a short look at the command lever. This product automatically controls exposure, adjusting it according to the recording situation. However, use the command lever to change the exposure to a different value. We can use the command lever to change the exposure to a different value easily. You can enable the desired features such as ISO, white balance for the command lever. And below, there is a function delete button. This button can be used to make various settings or to delete pictures in real time. Below, the 5 function button is available, each of them assigned to a different function of the camera. There is a menu button, play print button, and effect button. Let's look on the top. Now he is moving himself. He truly looks like a quick learner. On the left side, it has a speaker and a power button, a zoom lever, and a dial mode. Wow, he seems to have something to show you. He wants to show you the 24mm wide lens with 10 by optical telezoom. This height with this function could be the most powerful advantage, isn't it? Perfect timing. He knows what to do. This is a tripod socket, a battery chamber, and a memory card slot. Good boy. I'll give you a cookie later on. Here's the USB AV-DC terminal. Here you can affix a camera strap and a microphone. And next, let's take a closer look on the recording mode. This is the auto mode. You can take quick and easy picture taking with minimal user interaction. And you can select the shooting modes by using the dial mode. You can also manually set both the aperture value and the shutter speed in the recording mode. The dual O.I.S mode will reduce the effect of camera shake and help you get a well-exposed image in dim conditions. O.I.S, D.I.S. In beauty shot mode, you can take a photo of portraits by setting options to clear imperfections. Setting this mode before taking pictures, you will allow you to get wonderful photos. That means you don't have to correct after taking pictures. At night or in low light conditions, you can set this night scene modes. And there is a scene mode that can configure optimal settings for a variety of shooting situations. This camera has a 10 by optical zoom and 5 by digital zoom function. Using both will offer you a total zoom ratio of 50 by. On a 24mm wide-angle 240mm telephoto lens, you will be able to adapt to each and every situation. Besides the camera, a user manual, product warranty, camera strap, AV cable, rechargeable battery, AC adapter, USB cable, and software CD are available in the packaging. Finally, let's overview the specifications of the WB500 again. It has 24mm ultra-wide zoom with 10 by optical zoom from Schneider. It has 10.2 megapixel, dual I.S, beauty shot for perfect portraits. You can use ISO 3200, record HD movie clips 1280 by 720, H.264, and there is a command lever with which you can set the menu easily. Besides, having all those top-notch features, the WB500 from Samsung is built in a compact and attractive case. It was a privilege for me to have introduced this great piece of electronic. This was Paperman, and I hope to see you soon.